you want an easy 5K per month business? Well, you just need 17 people paying you $297 a month. Sound impossible? It's not. What if I told you you can do it with a done-for-you copy and paste email or Facebook inbox campaign and with a simple 20-minute setup? Let me explain how. You see, restaurant owners are currently paying anyone who can get them new business. Why? Restaurants struggle to fill their tables and get new customers in their door, and they often waste a ton of money on advertising without it resulting in any new customers. But when they discover someone who can get them word-of-mouth referrals on demand, they're practically begging you to charge them for the service, and you can do all of this with a simple viral check-in method. Facebook check-ins are the best way to generate word-of-mouth referrals, which means loads of new business for a restaurant. Don't believe me? Take a look at this. A single check-in is typically seen by at least 200 friends. Most restaurant owners know that this kind of word-of-mouth is the best form of advertising, but they have no clue whatsoever how to get it. Today, I will reveal to you a sneaky yet ultra simple way of forcing practically every single restaurant visitor to check in on Facebook, generating huge amounts of viral referral traffic for a restaurant. The type of traffic that brings in a constant stream of new paying customers through their door, which means restaurant owners will happily pay you $297 or more every single month. Let me show you how Facebook check-ins work in the real world. A restaurant owner offers an ethical bribe to their current customers for checking in on Facebook. They check in and it's seen by their friends in their newsfeed. Their friends appreciate the recommendation and head into the restaurant where they check in as well. More and more business comes into the restaurant and you are seen as the hero. So, how easy is it to hook in these restaurant owners? All you have to do is copy and paste this one proven email message that books $147 to $297 a month and up reoccurring payments from grateful restaurant owners. And that's without you having to call them, visit them, or ever speak to them. Here's the best part. This easy strategy needs no previous experience, no hard selling, no tech skills or confusing software, no Facebook ad spend, no cold calling, no face-to-face meetings. With this simple Facebook check-in system, you can easily get 10 or more restaurant owners, each paying you $297 or more every single month. That's a great 5-figure a year of passive income without you even needing to leave the comfort of your own home. But don't take my word for it. Take a look at the success other people have had following this simple strategy. Andrew said, I watched the course and got my first client that same day. I was so excited after watching the course, I picked a restaurant to have dinner at, spoke to the waiter who introduced me to the owner, and they are on board. Not only were they excited for the check-in program, but they also asked me what other services I could provide for them. I wrote them a proposal for an additional $1,200 in services, and that's monthly. Thanks, ladies. Tina says, I'm a stay-at-home mom and I was looking for a program that could get me some extra monthly income. I do have a few clients right now as one of the students in another one of the ladies' courses. This program is a great complement to what I'm doing now, and it is so simple. The best part is I have my virtual assistant do almost all of the work for me. The modules are easy to follow and they give you all of the tools and resources that you need. As you can see, real people just like you are getting real results with this system. So how easy is it to set up a Facebook check-in for a restaurant? Trust me, it's so simple, anyone can do it. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1, get a simple discount or freebie from the restaurant to give us an ethical bribe for check-ins. Step 2, create the check-in using our proven copy and paste template. Step 3, send that template to the restaurant owner and watch the check-ins roll in. And that's it. Simple, right? So what do you get with Checkin SociMasters? We have 7 easy-to-follow modules with videos, PDFs, and checklists. These modules will cover the important parts of the program, from getting started to finding clients to getting paid, and how to customize the templates and a lot more. Everything that you need to copy our success. Then we have some exciting bonuses that will really put the icing on the cake. our private Facebook group, training on how to run viral contests, and our special guide on how to outsource all of it. Yes, have someone do all of the work for you. Everything you need to copy our success, but these bonuses are only available to the early action takers. So if you want an easy copy and paste strategy that is a win-win for everyone and that can bring you monthly reoccurring income while outsourcing almost every piece of the process, then this program is for you. So click on the Buy Now button right now, but hurry and get in before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.